Business owners, can you get sued for trademark infringement without ever putting someone else's name or logo on your product? You know what time it is. It's time for the Friday Legal Fix. Here's the deal. Nike was set to drop a new sneaker on July 11th, the Air Max 95, in a colorway called Sport Green and Safety Orange. Does that sound familiar? 7-Eleven thought so. So on July 1st, 2026, 7-Eleven filed a suit against Nike in federal court in Texas, alleging that the shoe is confusingly similar of what it calls its tricolor mark, the orange, green, and red stripe combination that it has used for close to 60 years. And the release date wasn't a coincidence. According to the lawsuit, July 11th, 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven Day, Free Slurpee Day, Nike's own app even referred to the date that way. Nike never used 7-Eleven's name, never used its logo, and 7-Eleven is suing anyway. Most business owners think trademark protection starts and stops at your name and your logo. It doesn't. Color combinations, patterns, packaging, even the layout of a storefront, that's called trade dress. And it can be just as predictable as a name or logo if it's distinctive enough and consumers associate it with your brand. The test isn't, did you copy the logo? The test is, would a reasonable customer be confused about who's behind this? And 7-Eleven says there's already evidence that people were confused because they were calling it a 7-Eleven shoe. 7-Eleven isn't just asking for money. The lawsuit asks for the court to block Nike from selling the shoes at all, to destroy existing inventory, and to hand over any profits that Nike has already made on top of damages and attorney's fees. If you've built a color scheme, a packaging look, a visual, a signature that customers recognize as you, that's a business asset. Most owners never think to protect it because they're only thinking about their name and their logo. 7-Eleven didn't make that mistake, and it's exactly what's letting them go after a company as big as Nike. Before you build a campaign, a product drop, or even a joke ad that winks at another brand's colors, packaging, or vibe, even without using their name, ask whether a reasonable customer might get confused about who's behind it. Because based on what 7-Eleven is alleging here, we never said their name isn't the defense it sounds like. Want more tips about how to keep you and your business out of legal hot water? Download the new and improved Small Biz with two Z's, legalguide.com. This is Aisha from Cedric Andrews, your small business legal guide. I'll see you next week.